Feel the story in every layer. Watch a tactile card come alive. Photo description, slow motion video of hands running over textured surface, feeling the turtle shell embossed paper. Each hexagon has 4 layers in hexagon like a ripple and then flows into the next set of embossed hexagons, resembling a turtle shell. Talk today about the embossed paper that is in one of the turtle card sets for the July box. To get started, towards the top I have a piece of soft silky ribbon that has already been attached, so you don't have to worry about attaching that. It's got several shades of green. Now the one I'm showing currently only has one side shown, but yours will have a dark medium green and a teal green the way it has been laid down. But let's talk about these hexagon-like shapes that have been embossed, which means they are raised on the paper. So you can feel each one. There's 4 to 5 of each hexagon shape, and each hexagon is supposed to represent the turtle shell that matches this theme. But what's really cool is you'll notice each hexagon molds into the next hexagon to its left, right, front, and back. So I'm just feeling around, getting used to the texture. When you receive your July box, you'll also feel and notice that there's foam adhesive attached to the back. We're using that to attach our embossed paper, and that's because foam adhesive attaches best to the embossed paper because of the grooves and the layers that are on the page to get it to hold the best.